Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the brand new Vivo Y200 GT. This video is for you. Let's explore why the Vivo Y200 GT could be your next phone. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Vivo Y200 GT. We'll look at its display, memory options, camera capabilities, battery life, features, performance, and more. By the end of this video, you'll know if this phone is the right choice for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the display. The Vivo Y200 GT features a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1260x2800 pixels. The display supports 1 billion colors, a 144Hz refresh rate, and HDR, providing an incredibly vibrant and smooth visual experience. Plus, with a peak brightness of 4500 nits, visibility is excellent even under direct sunlight. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or browsing, this display offers an immersive and enjoyable experience. The always-on display is also a great feature, allowing you to see important notifications at a glance. Next, let's talk about memory and storage. The Vivo Y200 GT comes in several configurations: 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB or 12GB RAM, and 512GB with 12GB RAM. Although there's no card slot for expandable storage, the available options should be more than enough for most users. With UFS 2.2 storage, you get faster read and write speeds, which is great for multitasking and running apps smoothly. Whether you are a casual user or a power user, there's a configuration that will suit your needs. The Vivo Y200 GT sports a dual camera setup with a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. The main camera features PDAF and an f1.8 aperture, ensuring sharp and detailed photos, even in low light conditions. You can also shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 1080p videos with gyro EIS for stable footage. The camera app includes features like HDR and panorama, making it versatile for different shooting scenarios. For selfies, the Vivo Y200 GT comes with a 16MP front camera, which supports 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second. It's perfect for selfies, video calls, and vlogging. The Vivo Y200 GT is equipped with a massive 6000 mAh battery, providing excellent battery life for heavy use. It supports 80W wired charging, capable of charging from 1 to 50% in just 26 minutes, as advertised. Plus, it has 7.5 watts reverse wired charging for added convenience. With such a large battery and fast charging capabilities, you won't have to worry about running out of power during your busy day. Running on Android 14 with Vivo's OriginOS 4, the Y200 GT offers a smooth and highly customizable user experience. It also features an under-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, and compass. Connectivity options include 5G support, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and USB Type-C with OTG. The phone is also IP64 rated for dust and water resistance, adding to its durability. The Vivo Y200 GT is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU and Adreno 720 GPU. This setup ensures smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. Whether you are running demanding apps or playing the latest games, the Vivo Y200 GT handles it with ease. The inclusion of 5G support ensures you stay connected with blazing fast internet speeds. The Vivo Y200 GT is priced around €230, making it an affordable option for its impressive feature set. So, is the Vivo Y200 GT worth it? Absolutely! It combines a stunning display, solid performance, great cameras, and long battery life in a sleek and durable package. If you are in the market for a new mid-range smartphone, this one should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Vivo Y200 GT. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. See you next time.